morning, I'm Vanessa from Rewind Croatia, and this evening we are bringing you closer to the local food culture. Tonight we are here at Local by Maria Papak restaurant, family-run restaurant, with traditional meal called Peka. Come along with me and let's discover their story. Hello, good evening.
Hello, good evening.
How are you?
As good as you, I hope.
Thank you so much. Thank you for welcoming us this evening at your restaurant. Can you please, for the start, present yourself a little bit?
Thank you very much. My name is Josip. I am the son of the family who holds this restaurant, and I like to call main waiter.
Can you just please describe your restaurant, like in a few words? What do you do, and what is your restaurant most famous for?
Here in our restaurant, most special thing and what we most do is traditional course of meal, which includes prosciutto, cheeses for the starters, main dish Peka, the 5,000-year-old tradition, and also we have a beautiful choice of Croatian wines.
What can guests expect when they come here? What kind of experience?
One thing for sure they can expect is to leave or drunk, or fat, or happy, or maybe all of three, who knows. The word Peka actually doesn't refer to the dish itself, but to two other things. First one is this iron dome or iron bell that we use to bake underneath, and the baking underneath the dome itself, that's what Peka is. There are two important parts to making this dish. First one, ingredients. Second one, process, like all other foods. So, ingredients are as follows. First, any kind of meat. Today we are having veal, baby cow, however. Other meats that you can also use that are popular: lamb, fish, pig, rooster, octopus. Octopus is my personal favorite. Other ingredients are potatoes, carrots, rosemary, bay leaf, garlic, onion, pepper, eggplant, salt, and sunflower oil. Those are the fundamental ingredients that we always use, and we also don't change. Then you have the process, which lasts about 4 to 5 hours, depending on how big Peka is. 1 hour is just making the fire. After preparing the fire, so fire was here. Then you move it aside when it's ready, and then you put pot with ingredients, so this one, where fire was, so it gets the heat from the bottom. Then you close like I am going to do now. Important is to cover the edge so air doesn't go out. And so when you close for the first time, you need to bake and bake, and then you need to open to change the composition. Starting composition is meat under the potatoes. Then you move meat over the potatoes, then close, bake, open again, flip the meat like in the barbecue. You've done the barbecue sometimes, didn't you? Flip, close, bake, open, put meat under the potatoes in the starting position, close, bake, and you don't open just yet. You need to remove the fire.
Do you have one message for the guests who are trying Peka for the first time?
My dear guests, future guests, first go try Peka somewhere else in Dubrovnik, if you find one, and after that come here. Your expectations will just be better and experience will just grow.
What makes your restaurant special?
We are the only restaurant inside of the walls of Dubrovnik who is allowed to make open fire.
If you're looking to experience true local flavors, this is the right place for you.
I am gladly inviting the whole world. Please come to our restaurant to see what the real food is.
We are waiting for you.